This video will show you how to use the new Share to Google Classroom tool on Carolina Science Online. This tool is available to every Carolina Science Online program, Building Blocks of Science, Smithsonian Science, and Carolina 3D Kits, for example. We're using our new 3D Flex program for high school science in this video. Here in the Digital Resource tab are resource tiles. You have the option to preview, bookmark, add to an assignment, or share the resource to Google Classroom with one click. Simply select the class you would like to share the resource with, add any optional details that you would like as far as instructions, point values, or dates, then select Assign to share this with your entire Google Classroom. We hope this video and new tool are helpful to you. Please reach out to CSO_support@carolina.com if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.